Christian here from KamaGear HQ. Just want to talk you through Friday's lunch. The guys wanted a lasagna. I whipped this up yesterday night and we're just going to cook it through today. Lasagna was 25% beef mince, just made into kind of like a ragu. Then I mixed up some bechamel sauce, just plain bechamel, salt and pepper to season, and then finished it with cheddar cheese on top. We're just waiting for the grill to heat up to 170, 180. We've set the grill up indirect, so it's giving it an even cook rather than direct heat straight on the bottom, which will burn the bottom. So we're just waiting for that to heat up, and then we'll put my lovely lasagna in the grill. So hopefully the guys will like that. But yeah, happy Friday. So we're up to 175. I'm gonna put this on. Essentially want to cook it to 75 degrees. Top and cheese needs to be nice and caramelised and golden, and then we're going to take it off. So see you guys in about 30 to 40 minutes. So with every great lasagna, you need cheesy garlic bread. So just going to stick these on. That's going to be quite hot, so let me quickly go and get the glove. And yeah, we're just going to put this garlic bread on just to get nice and toasty. Toasty woasty, no carbs before marbs. Lol. Done. Right, 10 minutes, and then we're gonna gobble it up. Here we go, guys. The grand reveal. So, yeah, look, nice and crispy. Cheesy garlic bread. Nice homemade lasagna. There we go, guys. Lunch is served. Homemade lasagna, cheesy garlic bread, and some nice, fresh, crispy leaves.